Up north, the Cordillera Civil Defense held a photo exhibit as part of the commemoration of the first anniversary of Super Typhoon Yolanda. Jonathan Llanes reports.
The region's Civil Defense Office commemorated the effects of Typhoon Haiyan in the province of Leyte through a photo exhibit depicting their experiences being part of the National Rescue, Relief and Rehabilitation teams that went to the province. OCD Cordillera Regional Director Andrew Alexoy explained the importance of such event that would serve as a basis for programs to be made pertaining to disaster preparedness and resiliency.
Ito rin isang purpose na para balikan natin yung experience at i-evaluate natin sapat na ba yung paghahanda ng bawat community. Kasi yung paghahanda hindi lang trabaho ng isang ahensya ng gobyerno, katuwang dapat natin dito yung local government units. So i-gauge natin, sapat na ba yung paghahanda. So ang challenge natin ngayon dito is dapat tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung investment natin sa disaster risk reduction. For the past years, makita naman natin yung improvement ng Cordillera pagdating sa paghahanda sa disaster.
For the Cordillera region, the Civil Defense Office have seen remarkable efforts by local government units in investing on human resource and equipments to prepare for calamities and disasters in the region.
Ang paghahanda natin, nagle-level up every year. Gaano kahanda? Mas handa tayo ngayon compared last year. Dahil nakikita natin yung investment ng bawat local government units. May paghahanda, pagbibili ng gamit, ng ganung plano, at yung sistema, inaayos natin dahan-dahan ito.
From the city of Baguio for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.